8. 6'4". 6'6". 2'6". 5'5". 5'6". 8'2". 5'7". 4'4". Annyeonghaseyo, L1.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So today, this evening, we will discuss about adjective. So meaning, moingon ganit tag adjective unsa may pasabot sa adjective. Kinsay makatubag? Precious.
It describes a noun, place, things, and idea.
Very good. So mag-describe kuno siya sa noun, sa things, and place, and idea. So on your notebook, naghatag ko og 10 ka mga sentence, then akong gipa-underline na ninyo ang adjective. So let's try to answer. Okay, read number 1, Precious.
She wore a beautiful dress.
Okay, what is the adjective?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. So what is the unsa yang gi-describe?
Dress.
Ang dress. Okay. Very good. Number 2. Faith.
The small.
Ato bang? Oh, sige, basa. Sige.
The small kitten sleep on
My.
lap.
Okay. Unsa may adjective na?
Small.
No. Small. Unsa yang describe nga small? Unsa may describe niya?
Kitten.
Get. Okay, very good. So gamay kuno ang earring, no? Small kitten. Number 3. Princess. Read number 3. It was a cold morning today. Unsa may adjective ana? Ha? Unsa may adjective? Di ka answer, wala ka kabalo. Cold. Unsay gi-describe sa cold? Ang morning, no? It was a cold morning today. So again, inyuhang i-master ang adjective or inyuhang sabton ang sentence, then find the adjective. Okay?